Good morning class. Today we are going to discuss about the importance of agriculture in the Indian economy. What was the importance of agriculture in the Indian economy? So we know beta agriculture is of critical importance in the Indian economy. This fact is highlighted through the following observations. There are some observations which we are going to discuss, and through this observation we can draw the conclusion what is the importance of agriculture in the Indian economy. Okay, so the very first observation is contribution to GDP. Okay, so agriculture makes a significant contribution to the GDP in India. During the period of planning, contribution of agriculture sector to GDP has been ranging between 51 to 17.4% for different years. It has tended to decline over time from as high as 51% in 1950, 51 to 17.4% in 2017. However, the decline in the percentage contribution of the agriculture to GDP does not indicate the decline in importance of agriculture in the economy. It is only indicates the relatively faster growth of secondary and tertiary sector of India. Okay, beta. So GDP, you know the meaning of GDP very well. GDP consists of all these three sectors: primary, secondary and tertiary. So when the first 5-year plan was launched, the contribution of agriculture in the GDP was 15% or 50%, 50. But after some time or after many years now, the contribution is limited to only 17.4%. It doesn't mean that production of agriculture is declining, but the production of other two sectors, secondary and tertiary, both are making or growing faster than agriculture. Okay, so contribution to GDP cannot be ignored. Okay, agricultural contribution to the GDP. Second point or importance of agriculture is supply of wage goods. So wage goods are necessary for life, such as wheat, rice, pulses, maize, bajra, oilseed, etc. Agriculture provides wage good to about 121 crore, or now it is increased to more than 130 crore of the people in India. Obviously, beta, if there will not be any agriculture, then we will not be able to eat the food grain. So this is the second importance of agriculture. And third one is source of employment. Again, it is a very common thing. Many of the population or most of the population are engaged in primary sector, and primary sector belong to agricultural sector. So this is one of the important point of the importance of agriculture, that agriculture is providing employment to a large section of the society. Clear? Next one is supply of raw material. Okay, whatever raw material we require for finished goods, that raw material is provided by the primary sector only. Like biscuits is made of flour, and that flour or wheat that is provided by the primary sector. Okay, then next one is contribution to international trade. Okay, so whenever we are talking about the foreign trade, there are many types of agricultural product which we are exporting, like tea and jute, okay, tobacco, coffee. These all are product which has much demand or high demand in the international market. Okay beta, so these are some importance of agriculture in the Indian economy. I hope it is clear to you. If you have any doubt, then you can ask. Thank you so much.